Are you also concerned about your child's diet? What and in how much quantity should you feed your child? In today's video, I will be sharing some interesting facts that will make you understand the best choice foods for your child to keep them fit and healthy. Before starting, welcome to Socialite Tanya, and if you want any other videos related to your child, here are the links below. Eating a variety of foods keeps our meals interesting and flavorful. It's also the key to a healthy and balanced diet because each food has a unique mix of nutrients both. Therefore, the kids' healthy eating plate provides a blueprint to help us making the best eating choices. Along with filling half of our plate with colorful vegetables and fruits, split other half between whole grains and healthy protein. To help you visualize a day of healthy eating, below are the 2 eating plans. For example, 1 slice of whole grain toast a child can eat. Like 1 tablespoon of nut or seed butter he can consume. So 1 cup of milk of his choice he can drink and enjoy. A banana or an apple, whatever he likes, he can eat. Example, half cup of any oat-based cereal he can intake and he can enjoy. For example, a child can have 1 cup of any dal of his choice which is cooked in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Like half cup carrots roasted in 1 teaspoon oil can be eaten as a veggie which even a child will like. Kids love eating rice, so half cup of cooked rice will be a healthy option for them. Always drink plenty of water to keep yourself hydrated. In veggies, half cup of celery sticks he can eat so that it will be a healthy option for him or her. A 2 tablespoons of hummus he can consume as it's tasty as well as healthy. As child loves eating pasta, so 1 cup of cooked pasta will be a good option for him to enjoy and like. Any vegetable like beans, potato or any whatever your child loves, saute in 1 teaspoon oil and make him eat. A child can fill his tummy by having a 1 cup of yogurt of his choice. As kids love eating strawberries, so he can have 4 strawberries or more as a dessert. If he is taking oats, so he can have 1/3 cup dry oats with 1 cup of milk. For example, 12 almonds he can eat which will make the child's mind sharp. In breakfast, he can have either banana or an apple, whatever he likes. Example, 1 ounce of whole grain crackers a child can eat and it is a healthy option for him. 1 tablespoon of nut or seed butter according to his preference he can eat. For example, 2 slices of 100% whole grain bread he can have and he can enjoy too. Again, 1 cup of any dal of his choice he can intake. Either tomato or lettuce or cucumbers etc. he can eat raw or he can eat them as a veggie. Even 1/4 cup of avocado will be a healthy option for him. Any fruit, either a banana or an apple or mango, whatever he likes he can enjoy. A child can fill his tummy by having a 1 cup of yogurt of his choice. Chili cooked in 1 tablespoon oil along with 2 ounces protein he can intake in dinner. A mixed vegetable sabji which can include either half cup beans, half cup veggies, half cup red and green peppers, 1.5 cup more veggies, half cup corn, half cup more and red green peppers, half cup tomato puree can be sauteed in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and he can have it as a meal. 1 chapati he can eat along with chili and mixed vegetable sabji, and water, as I told you earlier, is very important as it keeps hydrated. Avoid flavorings that can make milk less healthy. Avoid fried meats, chicken nuggets or fish sticks more than once a week. Don't give your kids drinks with a lot of added sugar such as sweet tea, soda or fruit punch or any other fruit drinks that are less than 100% fruit juice. Avoid eating fast food and make healthy choices when you do go out to eat at a restaurant. Combined with regular physical activity on most days, this healthy eating plan can help your kids maintain a healthy weight or even begin to lose weight if they are already overweight. If you like this video, do hit a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more new interesting videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit, and bye bye.